don't mind, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hurry up, Charles is here.
I hope you are ready for now.
Ready for what?
Akua, don't try to tell me that you don't know that Charles is taking you out tonight.
I know, Mom, but...
But what?
Unfortunately, Charles, I don't think I can go out with you tonight.
What?
Where are you going if not with me?
Well, a friend of mine is having her birthday party and she's invited me.
What do you mean by that? That your friend's birthday party is more important to you than me taking you out?
Oh, come on, Charles. Don't be unreasonable, eh? It's not like I never want to go out with you again. It's just that this invitation came rather impromptu and I really must attend. You have to understand, okay? We can do dinner some other time.
It's okay, try. Just keep trying. Keep trying. I want my share. Keep trying.
Could it be that he gave me a wrong number?
Keep trying.
Hello?
Hi. Who's on the line?
Hi, this is Akua.
Is this Dr. Major Nelly?
Yes. This is Dr. Major.
Hi. This is Akua, the girl you met at the restaurant this afternoon.
Oh, Cinderella. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you now?
I'm in America. I'm You know, I got a package over the weekend from General Colin Power.
So I have to just dash down in a car and pick it up.
Intelligence stuff, you know?
But how? You were... I don't understand.
They sent me a private jet. You know, I'm a little busy right now. So can you please call me back in like 3 hours? But if you don't get me on the line, don't worry about it, because I'm gonna come have lunch with you in the afternoon. Just to have lunch with you. Do you like that?
Yes, no problem.
I love you. You know that, right?
I love you too.
Instructions here, I do. And don't ever tell me when to call for break. Now go and work. And so what? My friend, you are being too arrogant for your own good. Next time you tell me what to do, I will not hesitate to fire you.
pretty girl from a nobody to somebody. She is in love with the American.
Okay, it's time for break. You can now go for break. You can go.
She wants no other but the American boy.
Charles, you have to hurry up and finish.
What is that supposed to mean?
Charles, I can't attend to you at the same time I attend to the customers.
That you don't even have time to talk with me?
No, it's not that. It's just that I'm a very busy woman. You know, these are customers. Business first.
You know, I want to discuss something very important with you. That is why I'm here.
But I'm very sure that you can go and come back in the evening. At that time, I'll be less busy. And then whatever you have to discuss, we'll discuss at that time.
But your girls are there to take over.
But my girls, they can't relate with the customers like the way I can.
I've even lost my appetite.
Oh, sorry.
Well, okay. Then I think I'll leave. My greetings to your mom.
I'll tell her. No, you're my darling. So I love you. Can you imagine this guy? He actually wanted to finish this food.
My friend, where are you going? If you come even a minute late, I will sack you. Oh, sir, I go there. Well, I will come. Well, I've told you. If you come even a minute late, you are sacked. I did just check something for town boss, I beg. What? You like my shada?
Lunchtime, so how come he's still not here? Maybe I should check too.
Are you sure he's gonna come?
I don't know, but this guy's an American. These people, I heard they don't promise and fail easily. They don't play with their time either.
You're right. I learned that these people value time more than human
Yes,
life.
I read that too. So why is he not here? It's past lunchtime. So confused. Do you think I should call him?
Maybe you should.
Yeah.
Because this is taking long.
Oh, won't he think I'm bugging him or something?
Girl, call him. I'm here. Call him.
Okay, let me get my phone. Hello! Hi! How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh my god.
And you?
Good. I almost thought you weren't coming.
I told you I'll be here. I'll be here.
I have a seat.
Thanks.
Oh, this is my friend Laurentia. This is Nelly.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure is mine.
I couldn't wait to have a look at you. But now that I get to see you myself, I must admit, you are the most handsome young man ever.
Oh, thanks for the compliment. People don't usually give compliments around here. Thanks.
So Nelly, what exactly is your mission here in Ghana?
That's like an SAT question. I'm afraid I can't tell. Yeah, I'm not supposed to discuss my mission. You know, with
Why not?
civilians. You're a civilian. I can't do that. But it's alright. It's okay. Because of you, I'm just saying a little bit. Okay, come over. You see, after the execution of Saddam Hussein, my government got intelligence information that some members of Al-Qaeda have infiltrated the governor. So, and you know how much these guys are against my government, against my President George Bush. So a few of my colleagues and myself were selected to just flush them out. I don't know if I'm making sense or if you're understanding it, but that's why I'm here.
Interesting. I see. So, are you married back home?
Married? Nope. I'm not married. And one of the reasons why I even took up this mission is because I've always had a dream to marry a lady from Africa. And thank goodness I met Akua.
No, it's not Akua. It's Akua. Say it.
No, I'll get it, don't worry.
Say it.
Must I say it?
Yes, you have to.
Okay, Akua.
Well, it's better.
I'm sure I'll get it sooner or later.
Okay. So what can I offer you to drink?
I'll take your best one. Not unless you have comedy come now.
No.
Okay, no problem. No problem. So, what do you do?
I'm fashion designer.
Oh. And does that fetch a lot of money?
Hey, Akua, what am I hearing about your relationship with that American soldier? Akua?
Mama, he's only a friend. That's all.
And yet he dashes you money just like that. A friend and dashes you dollars just like that.
What is wrong if he dashes me dollars? After all, he earns $50,000 every week. So giving me $50 and $100 will not even affect him. Yes.
Is that the reason why you have avoided your fiancé?
Why? Is that what he told you? I'm not avoiding him, Mom. I'm not avoiding him. I don't know why he told you that.
Akua, be very careful. I said be very, very careful.
Oh, Mama, you worry too much. What's this? You worry too much. I'm even tired.
Akua, be very careful.
Hey, boys, what is happening?
So what's up then? You the man.
Next. The Garana, I finished that. Done, long time. You know, just right now for hook up with them for some yard. So I go need some additional candles, make I take from things.
So how much like you give me?
Hotel where you get pool and them like $100, you'll be happy.
Whoa. Then how long do you intend to do it?
And it'll be one night. If I take your pool hotel within, I'll go sleep. I'll go spend my life for them. One night, no. Go keep and save. Street to
Just one night. And you expect us to pay $100?
You go figure the girl.
You boys, don't worry. You all don't worry. I'll make the money available, eh?
Now you're talking about my job. Now you're talking. I mean, $100, you don't be anything for you.
Alright, I get everybody.
You know
alright.
shit to me.
I get you alright. This girl has really insulted our brotherhood. This girl must be punished.
To be so. For punish him. And I have the power to be the punisher. I will punish him so much, say, if she finishes, we'll crawl for a neat dog. I'm doing this for you, man. I'm doing this for you. That is so.
You will show up saying,
Don't be like that, bro. Kaki.
Welcome, my son. Thank you. Yeah. Hurry up, Charles is here.
I hope you are ready for now.
Ready for what?
Akua, don't try to tell me that you don't know that Charles is taking you out tonight.
I know, Mom, but
By what?
unfortunately, Charles, I don't think I can go out with you tonight.
What? Where are you going if not with me?
Well, a friend of mine is having her birthday party and she's invited me.
What do you mean by that? That your friend's birthday party is more important to you than me taking you out?
Oh, come on, Charles. Don't be unreasonable, eh? It's not like I never want to go out with you again. It's just that this invitation came rather impromptu and I really must attend. You have to understand, okay? We can do dinner some other time.
Well, Mom, I think I'll be on my way going.
Oh, my son. Exercise patience, eh?
I'm cool.
Okay. Women and trouble. Huh?
See you.
Akua, why are you treating this poor boy like that? Eh? Is it a crime to love someone?
Mama, please. None of this your lawyer things again, eh? That was the same way you acted when Bob asked for my hand in marriage. And now Charles. Why, am I not old enough to choose a man that I want to go out with? Huh?
I know that you are old enough, but be very, very careful.
She's in love. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy. She is in love with the American boy. American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy. From a local girl to a city girl, from a nobody to somebody. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy. She is in love with the American boy. American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy. From a local girl to a city girl, from a nobody to somebody. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy. She is in love with the American boy. wants no other but the American boy. American boy. From a local girl to a city girl. From a nobody to somebody. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy. She is in love with the American boy. American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy. From a local girl.
Yeah, you enjoying your trip?
To a city girl.
The ride is lovely, isn't it?
From a nobody.
Yeah. Customized just for the major doctor.
American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy.
Doesn't she look beautiful?
Yes. Yeah, sir.
I'm the major doctor, you know what I'm saying? I can let him do one for you. Hey, when I'm going back to the States. Yeah. I'll take you to the White House. You meet Bush.
Are you serious?
I'm serious, yeah.
You mean I would actually get to meet the president of America?
Yeah. I mean, Bush and I, we are buddies. I mean,
Oh wow, I'm so happy.
I just call him Bush, right? Yeah, I just call him Bush because we're a good friend.
To somebody. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy. She is in love with
I will organize a special dinner. You, myself, Bush, and the First Lady, just the four of us.
Wow, I can't wait.
the American boy. From a local girl to a city girl.
I will sponsor the whole
From a
trip.
nobody
Weeks, I'll put you in the best of hotels. You have the best of
to
meals.
somebody.
Everything on me.
From a local girl
And when you're coming back to Ghana, I mean, I don't know if I'll be able to come
to a
back to you,
city girl.
but I can let them ship a car
From a
down for you and then
nobody to somebody. She is in love with the American boy. American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy. From a local girl to a city girl. From a no She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires.